21. This tank top is Forever 21. It's from H&M. And this earring is Bershka, and I'll wear my handmade choker. Yeah, that's it. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. Today, my OOTD and talk topic is about perfectionism. Perfectionism is a bad bitch for achieving something you want. I always think like perfectionism is equal as procrastination. I thought before like, if I'm perfect, my situation is perfect, I'm gonna do that. But right now I'm not perfect, so I'm not gonna do that. That was my mindset before. Because I don't do that because I'm not perfect and this is not the perfect time. I wouldn't work on that what I want. For example, I've been watching YouTube videos like since I was a freshman in college, like a lot years ago. Whenever I watch YouTube videos more and more, I really want to make my own channel. I'm not qualified, I'm not perfect for making YouTube videos. You know, I just overcame that fear, just do that. And although I'm not perfect, and it gets better and better, but there's not like perfect me and perfect time. But I always like make a story like if I have a perfect relationship, a perfect body, financial state, career, but that doesn't happen because that prevents me to be the best version of myself because I already know I cannot be that perfect. So like I set an unrealistic expectation of myself and of the situation of the world like perfect, and the situation doesn't fit like my perfectionism. I'm really sad and depressed, you know, because that's not gonna happen. My intuition already knows. Don't ever think like perfect time, perfect day or something happens, because you know every day is special. Who knows if we gonna be dead tomorrow, really. If I really want, you know, just go for that, just take action. That's the perfect thing. So I prefer to use better and best instead of using perfect and perfectionism. I also want to say that perfectionism is really tricky because procrastination, you can easily tell that that's bad for you. Perfectionism is hard to know that that's bad for me, and perfectionism is also make me sad, I told you. So whenever I make plan, like I write down things, you know, you already know that you're never gonna perfectly get done all things. So instead of that, I changed my mindset. If I do 70% of this like to-do list I plan, that's enough. That's the best. Before I film this video, I always write down what I'm gonna tell, but when I start to film, that wouldn't happen. I always say random things. So I told myself that if I say 70% of things I plan, that's enough. We are all perfectly imperfect. So just think that today is the best day, so just make use of it the best. I don't know how the quality it is, but just do your best. That's the only thing we can do. What's your opinion of perfectionism and how to cure that mindset? Anyway, thanks for watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. Have a beautiful, wonderful, great, lovely day. Bye.